Hey guys, welcome back to Tekneikos. Today we are going to Dockerize the React application. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and let's start the video. So we have an empty folder. We are going to paste the command to create a Vite React application. We are going to choose React with JavaScript and the application is being created. And now you can see the app is ready. If we open this, we can see the Vite plus React. Let me just close the terminal and start creating the Docker file. So this is our app. Without wasting any more time, we are going to create a Docker file. Okay. And then we will start building. So first we need a base image. For that, we are going to write from node and then the version, which is let's suppose 20. We are going to use Alpine. So what this does, this uses an official Node.js base image, and then we are going to set the working directory /app. So this is going to set the working directory inside the container. Then we are going to copy package.json. So we are just copying the package.json plus local file first. Then we are going to run the npm install. Then we will copy this. After that, we are going to run npm run build. Then we are going to expose the port 4173. Then we will write the command to run the Vite in preview server. For that, we have to write npm run and preview. Okay, we are good to go with the single stage Docker file. After that, we are going to improve this to multi-stage Docker file so that you can understand how we can improve. So we will open the terminal, go to my app. We have the Docker file here. We are going to run the command docker build -t Vite single. Okay, so it's showing Docker file cannot be empty because we forgot to save this. So let me just save these two. Again, run the same command. So it's building our application. Okay, yeah, we got this. Now what we can do, we can clear this terminal and docker run -t, then the port number 4173 and Vite single. So we can run our application through Docker container. You can see if we open, so you can see we cannot able to connect with the application because we are seeing the app Vite preview binds to 127.0.0.1 inside the container. Okay, not on the host machine. So the container exposes the port, but Vite is only listening internally, so your host machine cannot reach it. For that, we can fix it using simple changes in the Docker file. We will write something like this, and if I terminate this window and rebuild and rerun the application, now we can be able to see the Vite application. Yeah, we can able to see it. Okay, very simple. So let's go and build a multi-stage Docker file. So we will comment everything and rewrite again. Before that, let me just turn off this auto suggestion. So from node 20 Alpine as builder. Okay, this is stage 1. Let me comment here as well. So in stage 1, we build, or we also say this as build stage. Then we will set the working directory /app. Then we will copy the package.json. Then run npm install, copy and run npm run build. Then we will enter to stage 2, where we call this stage as serve stage. We are going to write from Nginx stable Alpine and copy from builder HTML. Then we will expose the port 80 and command Nginx. Okay, we are good to go. What we are doing here in the production stage, we are only doing the changes. So this is a clean minimal Nginx server, way lighter than Node. We are copying the build specific files from stage 1 into the Nginx hosting directory, and we are exposing the Nginx port, public port. And this will be foreground mode, which is containers will stay alive. And now we can build terminal, new terminal, docker build vite multi. Okay, we are not in the right path. Let me go to the my app and run again. Now the build is completed. We will clear the terminal and run the command docker run p 8080 80 vite multi. And when we open localhost 8080, we can see the app is running at localhost 8080. So it's fine. We can terminate this right now and clear the terminal. Now one thing I want to show you, images and grep vite. You can see we created two images. The first one that we created is taking 76 MB only, and the other one with single stage Dockerfile was taking 404 MB. So you can imagine how much we optimized through a single image build to multi-stage build. Now we are going to push this in the Docker hub in Docker registry. So run command docker login. It's going to take your credentials, docker images, and we have so many images. We are going to push this vite multi that we created 4 minutes ago. So let's clear the terminal. So let's tag the vite multi, and then we are going to docker images, and we have this one. We are going to push it, docker push, and it's going to push to Docker registry. Now you can come here and search. So if you come to Docker hub and search your username, you can see we have vite multi